Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you must have with you class 6 English textbook, summer pack and resource pack. We are going to start our lesson from unit 5, the Rambo. SLOs of this lesson are use conventions and dynamics of group discussion and interaction to make and respond to apologies. Look here, the page number 60 of your textbook. We have a listening speaking section here. See what it says. Apologizing. Practice the conversation in pairs. What is mean by apologizing? When you do something wrong or hurt someone or anything like that, you say sorry or apologize to someone. किसी को सॉरी करना अपने बैड बिहेवियर के लिए या आपने कुछ ऐसा किया हो जिससे वो हर्ट हुआ हो या कोई ऐसी चीज़ जो इनएप्रोप्रिएट हो उसके लिए आप अपोलोजाइज करो, माफ़ी मांगो किसी से। तो आपने क्या करना है, प्रैक्टिस करनी है कन्वर्सेशन पेयर्स में जिसमें आप अपोलोजाइजिंग को प्रैक्टिस करना है। कैसे? टू अपोलोजाइज इज टू टेल समवन दैट यू आर सॉरी फॉर हैविंग डन समथिंग दैट हैज कॉज्ड हिम इनकन्वीनियंस एंड unhappiness. For example, I must apologize to Isabel for my late arrival. Trains may be subject to delay on the northern lines. We apologize for any inconvenience caused. Here are some expressions you can use to make and response to apologies. Making apologies, I do apologize for, I must apologize for, I apologize for, I would like to apologize for, I'm so sorry for whatever you have done. I shouldn't have. I'm ashamed of. Please forgive me for. Excuse me for. I'm terribly sorry for. Pardon me for this. Accepting apologies like with this. That's all right. If someone make apologies to you, like in these sentences. So, how we will accept apologies? Here are some examples. Never mind. Don't apologize. It doesn't matter. Don't worry about it. Don't mention it. I quite understand. You couldn't help it. Forget about it. Don't worry about it. No harm done. So here are the two boys, and who is looking more sorry here? Yes, he's looking sorry here, and he's making apology to this person here in the red shirt. The one in the blue shirt is sorry for his behavior or whatever he caused. You can see he's holding something, a card or paper, on which there is a written sorry, and you can see the expression of being ashamed here. You can see the expression how sorry he feels right now, and he's apologizing. He's like here, the smiley here you can see, and his face expression. You can have a very good idea of it, that this person here in the blue shirt is very sorry for his behavior or whatever he's done to this person here in the red shirt, and this one is looking fine and he's accepting his apologies. See what he says, I'm sorry. Sorry here, you can see the exclamation mark here because these are the emotions and feelings he are expressing. Interjection, use of interjection here. I would like to apologize for my bad attitude. I behaved poorly with you. Poorly, बुरे तरीके से पेश आया. So, he caused him unhappiness. That's why he is apologizing here. He had bad attitude. He treated him badly. So now he realized and he is apologizing to this person in a red shirt here. So what this person had to say about it, please do not apologize. Forget about it. I totally understand. We are friends. So these two people are friends here. This one is apologized and this one is totally okay with it because he know that this person realizes bad behavior. Now he's being sorry So, being a friend of him, he understand it, and that's totally okay for him. So, dear students, this is your task to practice the conversation in pair like this. Make a good, interesting conversation, and apologizing one have to apologize for his behavior or anything like that, and the other person will accept the apology. You can act this play with your cousin, your siblings, your neighbors, with your parents, whomever you want to do. This is up to you. This is your homework from summer pack. On page number 37, write an essay on the following topic and tell from which SLO this question has been taken. Importance of nature. In Unit 5, we have read the poem about nature. Why the nature is important? Why? Which benefits we can get from the nature? How it affects the life of man? The nature. नेचर जो है हमारी जिंदगी पे क्या असर डालती है, क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट है नेचर, नेचर के होने से क्या फायदे हासिल होते हैं, आपने सब इसमें लिखना है. ऑर्गेनाइज करें अपनी थॉट्स और आइडियाज को सेंटेंसेस में, देन पैराग्राफ्स में, और पंक्चुएशन का बहुत ख्याल रखें और ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक्स का भी. आई होप यू विल डू योर होमवर्क एंड एंजॉय दिस लेसन. थैंक यू.